Hi guys, you must forgive me. I'm in complete lifting gear, flowery and everything. And I've been lifting this morning, and I am I'm doing a conference call later on. I'm working with Josh right now in lettings, although he's doing some work which I'm going to explain to you. And then I did a lovely conference call for my mentoring group, and then I'm going to do CrossFit. So I've just decided to get dressed now because it's going to be a mad dash between the mentoring call and CrossFit, which is only around the corner. So forgive me and the way I look. Anyway, Josh and I are working on moving ourselves from 4.5, I think we are at the moment, star, or 4.75 stars to 5-star on the service accommodation. And one of the things that I just thought would be really useful to you guys, we're using a couple of different portals, Airbnb and Booking.com. And I just want to remind yourself of a really sensible but small thing that you might miss if you're just setting up your first Airbnb, which is think about your check-in, check-out times. So we have check-in time 3 p.m. To my knowledge, I don't know if we've had anyone else, Josh, but I've certainly had one crazy lady who checked in early and did call me 22 times in 30 minutes and was checking in 2.5 hours early, which wasn't particularly useful, should we just say. But generally, everybody really is respectful that you do a check-in time at 3 p.m. And then we are now doing a checkout time of 11 a.m. And when you update your listing on Airbnb, you can put either flexible check-in, check-out times, which I wouldn't suggest you guys do at all, because what you really want to be doing is making sure you've got masses of time for your cleaners. So something like 12 till 3 or 11 till 3 is a really sensible check-in, check-out time. Why? Because then all your cleaners are going to be running around like crazy in the middle of the day, moving from Airbnb to Airbnb. And given that cleaning is so fast, because of course your check-in, check-outs and people booking is so fast, you know, ideally you have everything planned well in advance, but you could have a booking that day and you need your cleaner in and out. You've got to get the girls and guys times to breathe. So we do check-in 3 p.m, check-out 11 a.m, gives our guys 4 hours to run from apartment to apartment and make sure everything's clean. Hope that helps. See you soon. Oh, and we've got loads of stuff on our website. So I love producing good materials for you guys. If you want to have a look, we've got packs, we've got downloadable courses. Obviously I do 2 groups of mentoring, which I just adore. And we do some face-to-face workshops, so you can come and see us in our office. So have a look on our website and have a good old explore. We are thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, and forgive my gym gear. See you soon. Bye.